Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today we will do the all-key loss for 2018 Geely Emgrand GS. Now we need to prepare K518 Pro and 2 Lonsdor Smart Key to be programmed. Next, we plug in the OBD to the car.
First, we choose to generate Smart Key. Choose Geely Emgrand GS. Select the menu for ID46 2016 to 2020. Put the two keys into the card slot respectively to generate. The first key was successfully generated. Generate the second key. The second key is also generated. Now let's go back to the main menu. Select Demo and Remote. Select Geely's menu. Choose Emgrand. Select GS. Select Hila Peps. Select Program Key. All the keys lost to this car. We choose the second menu. OK. Select the third set of ESC codes. OK. At the same time, put the 2 keys to be programmed at the first water cup holder. Then click OK. Learning now. Learning success. Now let's read the number of keys. Number of programmed keys to OK. Now, let's try it. Can the 2 smart keys drive normally? Put a key in the car. Take the other key out of the car. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The first key starts the car successfully. Let's test the second key again. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The second key starts the car successfully. Next, let's try to see if the remote control is normal. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The second key locks the car. Unlock. The remote controls of both keys are normal.
Do the all-key loss for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead. See you next time.